Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I want to show you all today. This is what groceries I bought for very poor person in farm my area. So I got 2-liter milk, I got 3 kilo rice here, I got bread, I got egg here, I got sugar, I bought groceries guys, tea bag, I got meal, and I got some cakes for the kids. I got chips, what I bought for giving them guys. There's a salt here, and here I have some onions, some dhania, and here tomato, potato, some chilies, some masala, and I got one chicken, rama guys. So thank you guys so much. Without y'all, this I couldn't be bought and giving. It's y'all that y'all giving the money that I'm buying, and I want to do more and more. That's what my desire was, guys. And thank you all so much. God will bless you all. If I don't know your people's name, God knows your people's name, who y'all are, and I really appreciate. Thanks so much. So this is what I bought, all fresh things. Even I bought one chicken to give them to cook in it, potato, tomato, onions. I got rice, I got milk, 2-liter, I got egg, I got sugar, tea bag, bread. So guys, I want to go and give to the farm. When I'm giving there guys, I'll show you all the place where I'm giving. This what groceries what I bought guys. So hello guys, we here in this place. I told you when we're reaching here, we're going to show you all. So this is a girl, her kids here. There's a kid her dad is carrying too. They are very poor guys. Thank you all so much for helping that I can help them. And this what guys, this what the groceries I bought for her, and she's so excited. Thank you guys so much.
I want to thank you all so much for helping Auntie Bina. So she helps all the poor people. She always helps us every time. I want to thank you all so much, and also Auntie Bina. Auntie Bina, thank you so much. God will bless you.
So very and I'll come and give you.
Thank you.
Thank God. Must keep on saying God. You know, when you trust God, God won't leave you. So guys, another thing I want to tell y'all, as I went and gave the groceries for those girls in the farm, and now when we're coming home, there's another person, he's crying, he says he's very hungry, he doesn't know what to do, he got nothing to cook. So guys, I came home, I bought loaf of bread, I took some potato, oil, onions, biscuit, rice. I'm going to give him guys. I just want to go give him because he's crying, he's telling me he's very hungry. So there's some groceries what left I'm taking to go give him now. So guys, why I'm showing y'all, you might think why I'm keep on showing y'all. So guys, y'all are sending the money for me. So I have to buy with the money, what I'm buying. I'm showing y'all what I'm using the money for. Because it's nice to y'all know that I'm using the money for helping those people are hungry. Guys, let's go. I'm going to give him now. You will see the person I'm giving it to him. So guys, this is a person. I'm giving him all that. Whatever there is, I brought to you, right?
Okay.
The potatoes, I take it off. And put all your things here. Look at the don't keep that things here. There's rice there. Biscuit there, you must see. There's rice. The soup, the cup of soup you can make an average. Some chicken, the sashimi there. There's a little bread there you can have. There's dhania there. So next time I'll bring it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
No, thank you, man. God bless you.